Hi, I'm Paul Davies, your Senedd member for Breseli, Pembrokeshire. My constituency includes Haverfordwest, Milford Haven, St David's, Fishguard, Crymych, which is close to where I live, and it stretches all the way up to St Dogmell's. Now next year, significant changes will take place in how the Welsh Parliament operates and who represents us. The Senedd is expanding from 60 to 96 members at an additional cost of around £18 million per year. It's not a change I voted for, but it's a change that's coming. It means that the existing constituencies and regions will be replaced by larger ones. Our area will be part of the Ceredigion Penfro constituency, which is formed of the UK parliamentary constituencies of Ceredigion Preseli and Mid and South Pembrokeshire. These changes will come into effect at the Senedd elections in May next year. Until then, I remain your local Senedd member for Breseli, Pembrokeshire, and I'm here to support you. So if you need help or advice on a devolved issue like the Welsh NHS, schools or roads, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. You can email me directly at paul.davies@senedd.wales or visit my website at www.pauldavies.wales.